Welcome back, everyone. He outed himself as the source behind government leaks, and now NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden is on the run in Hong Kong.
So how serious are the risks that he faces, and what are the chances of prosecution as well?
All right, let's ask Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano.
Good
Judge,
morning.
So you think this guy's a hero, right?
I think he's a hero for exposing one of the more massive violations of the Constitution in American history. Obviously, the Justice Department won't think that, and obviously the intelligence community won't think that. In fact, I am certain that the FBI has begun an investigation of him already in order to gather as much information about him that they can.
But that just goes against the other side of your brain, because you're about truth and justice.
Well, you know,
and yet you're saying that he's a hero.
As you know, there's two sides to me. There's that judicial hat, because I took an oath to uphold the law, even though I don't sit as a judge anymore. But there's my view that the government has gone way too far, and when people learn about what government does in secrecy, it will tend to make government transparent and accountable.
Do you believe that he's broken any laws?
Yes, he has broken laws,
Do you
absolutely.
believe he should be prosecuted?
I think the Justice Department will prosecute him, and I think a judge will probably not let him tell a jury, I did this because the public needed to know it, because under the law, I'm wearing that judicial hat, Brian, that is not a defense. He has a moral defense.
Sure.
But as far as I know from what he said the other day in the interview we saw, he doesn't have a legal defense.
You feel that the NSA program is unconstitutional because it's so broad, and the Fourth Amendment and things like that. We're not going to go into that right now. But you feel that since he was able to leak to the Guardian newspaper one of those FISA documents, he must have had help, Mr. Snowden.
I don't know if he gave that FISA order to Glenn Greenwald and Mr. Greenwald's colleagues, but it is not a document to which he would have had access. Judges of the FISA court don't even have access to documents once they read them and sign them. I myself have never seen a document like that in all the years of following this and in the 35 years of the existence of the court.
With the numbers that we showed earlier today about the millions of people who have access to this highly classified information.
Okay, those numbers are misleading.
Okay.
The numbers that you showed, that we have all been showing,
Over 1 million.
Correct, are the number of people who have classified security clearances. They don't all have document access
Might not be
to
working.
this program and to these documents. But the document we saw, an order signed by a federal judge authorizing and directing the NSA to get all this information, it's highly unlikely that he at his level would have had that. What does that mean? Somebody else gave the document to Mr. Greenwald.
All right, Judge Napolitano, thank you very much.
Pleasure.
I think
Pleasure,
Snowden
guys.
is a hero. Email us on that.